Are you a beginner in the world of online advertising? Do terms like PPC, CPC, and center confuse you? Are you struggling to make your Google ads effective and profitable? If so, don't worry, you're not alone. Many beginners face these challenges when they first venture into pay-per-click, PPC, advertising on Google. However, with the right guidance and a step-by-step process, you can become a PPC pro and achieve success with your Google advertising campaigns. In this article, we will walk you through the process of going from a beginner to a PPC pro. We will provide practical tips and strategies that will help you understand how to create effective ads, choose relevant keywords, optimize your campaigns for maximum results, and ultimately drive more traffic to your website. Understand your audience. The first step in any successful marketing campaign is understanding who your target audience is. Take some time to research and identify key demographics such as age group, location, interests, and preferences of your potential customers. This information will help you tailor your ad content specifically towards them. Set clear goals. Before diving into creating ads or setting up campaigns on Google Ads platform, formerly known as AdWords, it's important to define clear goals for what you want to achieve with your advertising efforts. Whether it's increasing brand awareness or driving conversions on specific landing pages, having well-defined goals will guide all subsequent steps. Conduct keyword research. Keywords play a crucial role in determining the success of your PPC campaigns on Google Ads platform. Use keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to find relevant keywords that have high search volume but low competition. These are the keywords that are most likely to bring targeted traffic to your website. Create compelling ad copy. Now that you have identified relevant keywords for targeting potential customers, it's time to create compelling ad copy that grabs attention and entices users to click on your ads. Use emotional triggers, unique selling propositions, USPs, and clear calls to action, CTAs, in your ad copy to maximize its effectiveness. Optimize landing pages. A common mistake many beginners make is driving traffic directly to their homepage or generic landing pages. To improve the conversion rate of your PPC campaigns, create dedicated landing pages that are highly relevant to the ads you are running. These pages should have a clear message, strong visuals, and a prominent CTA button. Monitor and analyze performance. Once your campaigns are up and running, it's crucial to monitor their performance regularly. Use Google Ads built-in analytics tools or third-party tools like Google Analytics to track key metrics such as click-through rates, center, conversion rates, cost per acquisition, CPA, and return on ad spend, ROAS. This data will help you identify areas for improvement and optimize your campaigns accordingly. Test and iterate. Successful PPC advertising requires constant testing and iteration. Experiment with different ad variations, keywords, targeting options, bidding strategies, etc., to find what works best for your business goals. Keep an eye on industry trends and competitors' strategies. This will give you insights into new opportunities for optimization. Scale up your success. Once you have found winning combinations of keywords, ad copy variations, landing pages, targeting options, it's time to scale up your success. Increase your budget gradually while closely monitoring performance metrics so that you can continue driving more qualified traffic without compromising profitability. In conclusion, by following this step-by-step process from beginner to PPC pro in Google advertising, you will gain a solid foundation in understanding how PPC works and be equipped with practical strategies for creating effective ads, choosing relevant keywords, optimizing campaigns, and ultimately driving more traffic to your website. Remember, success in PPC advertising doesn't happen overnight. It requires continuous learning, testing, and optimization. But with dedication and the right approach, you can become a PPC pro and achieve great results with your Google advertising campaigns.